Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan ghee at home. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of refined coconut oil and 1/2 cup of a neutral oil, like sunflower or grapeseed. A 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder will give it that classic golden hue, and a tiny pinch of black salt helps achieve a buttery flavor. These simple components are all you need for a delicious, dairy-free alternative. Now, let's get cooking. Start by gently melting your 1 cup of refined coconut oil in a saucepan over very low heat. Once it's fully liquid, stir in the 1/2 cup of neutral oil. Next, add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder for that beautiful golden color and a tiny pinch of black salt to enhance the flavor. Stir everything together until well combined. The key to achieving that authentic ghee texture is a slow, gentle simmer. Keep the heat very low, allowing any residual water in the coconut oil to evaporate. You'll notice the mixture becoming clearer and developing a beautiful golden hue. If any foam appears on the surface, simply skim it off. This patient process, lasting around 10 to 15 minutes, helps develop a rich, nutty aroma and a smooth consistency. Once your vegan ghee has simmered to perfection, carefully pour it into a clean, airtight glass jar. Let it cool completely at room temperature. As it cools, it will solidify, transforming into a firm, spreadable texture, much like traditional dairy ghee. Store your delicious homemade vegan ghee in a cool, dark place, and it will remain fresh for several months, ready for all your culinary adventures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.